Hi guys, welcome to my video. So guys, a lot of people are asking those who have been approved with the COPR, but it was issued after 18th March, and it has come through economic pathways like express entry, and it's not sponsored by someone. So based on the current travel restrictions, these people are not allowed to come in into Canada. So people are asking me like when exactly it will open and how they will travel and why Canada is not allowing. So when they are gonna open it, nobody knows. There's no official information. If somebody tells you something, ask for official links or official resources. Because if there's no official resource, that means there's no such information available to public. People can say anything they want to. Now, why Canada is not allowing? So for that, I have some information based on my opinion to share with you. If you see that they have also restricted people, those who just have an open work permit, to come and seek for jobs. They are allowing people with a job letter because they have a job, then go ahead and do a job. But what happens is like, for example, an open work permit holder, if he or she does not have a job offer, they go and start looking for jobs. Like let's example, postgraduate work permit holders, if they came to India or some other country and they applied from there and now they don't have a job offer, if they go in, they're going to just look for jobs. And right now the economy is not in good shape. This is the reality. And it's not just reality in Canada. In any other country, the same situation exists, at least up to a certain extent. So, and now the lockdown too has been imposed as well in Canada. So people are even more people are out of their jobs now than last month because a lot of businesses and activities have been closed. So if they allow these people to come and settle down permanently, how are they going to support themselves? Are they going to look for jobs or they do what? So these are the reasons they are not allowing people to come in, those who have been approved after 18 March when it was actually triggered, because the situation is not good at the moment. Hopefully it improves when we have various news about vaccines, and hopefully 10th December is going to play a vital role where we are going to find out if they get the approval for emergency use in the United States or not, because the news from United States is going to be like a bomb and for everyone. But that is the situation right now, and until we come to know about the dates, it's hard to say. Anyway, I won't go into that because I don't have much information about it. But right now this is the reason that looks like feasible, that why they are not allowing new permanent residents, those who are not sponsored as an immediate family member, and there are some other criteria as well. So that is the reason, guys. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like, comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always feel free to ask. Thank you, guys.